how to change the skin color of your avatar in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can basically change the color of your Roblox avatar. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up or launch your Roblox application, and currently I am demonstrating this using an Android device. So once you have successfully opened up or launched your Roblox application, go to avatar at the bottom, and within the avatar you will need to click onto these three particular lines right here. So simply click here and it will lead you to avatar refinement. Now under avatar refinement, choose the last option, and from here you can choose any skin color that you would like. So you can choose any skin color that you like. So for example, let's say if I go with this particular skin color, I can also change the hue or the contrast of the skin as well. And once you are done doing that, simply tap onto this back button, and now you can see that the changes have been successfully saved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.